In this video, we will show you how to change an extension site access permission in Chrome on your PC. Sometimes you may want to modify the level of access certain extensions have to websites. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open Chrome by clicking on its icon. Step 2. At the top right corner of the browser window, click on the More button. It is represented by 3 vertical dots. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, hover over Extensions. Step 4. Select Manage Extensions from the options that appear. Step 5. Within the Manage Extensions page, locate the extension you want to modify and click on the Details button associated with it. Step 6. Next to Site Access, click on the menu to expand the options, and that's it. You've successfully changed the extension site access permission in Chrome on your PC. Now you have more control over how the extension interacts with websites. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.